Hey everyone, this is Josh, and in this video we're going to look at some pretty cool mechanisms and machines that you've probably never seen before. Enjoy. Stinger Stacker. Meet the Stinger Bale Stacker, the first commercial bale stacker specifically designed for ultra-dense square bales. Designed to handle up to 14 large square bales at a time, the Stinger can travel at 55 miles per hour. Fitted with a load tilting action, it ensures non-stop pickup. Its unique fork-like arms grab bales ahead of the unit, lift them over the cab, and deposit them on the back. Unloading is done off the back end of the unit, stacking up to 14 bales at a time in 2 layers of 7 each. Napon Bagging Unit. Napon Trailers is Dutch manufacturer of moving floor trailers. The company supplies their moving floor trailers with optional bagging units. The advantage of the bagging unit is that the load is instantly unloaded airtight into a bag. During unloading, this system presses the load through a hose into the bag unit. The hose instantly seals the load airtight during unloading, ensuring perfect preservation. It is suitable for transporting and packaging brewery spent grain that serves as protein-rich animal feed. The bagging unit is detachable, saving the cattle farmer costs like building silos for the animal feed. Spading Machine. Check out this brilliant tractor-operated spading machine. The first activity in any crop cultivation practice is the tilling of soil to make a desirable seed bed for germination of seeds or seedlings. This tool is attached to a trailer and is used as a digger for seedbed preparation. The spades can be moved faster or slower, shallow or deeper, depending on your desired outcome. All of this is controlled from the comfort of the tractor driver's seat. This machine reduces cost of tillage, improving efficiency on the farm. TRAKJAK. Introducing TRAKJAK from Irish inventor Padraig Fay, a safer way to jack up and support the rear of a tractor with its wheels off. It works by connecting the rear linkage to the frame running underneath the tractor. This lifts the tractor off the ground, which is then supported on TRAKJAK's solid wheels. The tractor's wheels then can be removed in the workshop and the tractor be safely driven around the yard. Bottom Dump Trailers. Check out this bottom dump trailer by Megacorp. This trailer has been custom designed for use with materials of greater density and higher abrasive properties in the construction or the mining sector. It is well equipped with a clamshell dump gate at its belly that allows for precision when laying materials. This trailer can be purchased for integration with a dealer-provided truck, or as a complete solution with a Mega-provided truck. Mulchmate. Mulchmate is a material dispenser that could be mounted to a dump truck. It allows easy unloading of materials like mulch, stone, and compost, and conveys it in any direction directly into the wheelbarrow. Truckmate, on the other hand, is designed for easy mounting to the hitch of any pickup truck. Where you don't need the conveyor, you can put up a tarp roller and pull material right out of your truck bed. It is operated from its side using the control keypad. Napon Moving Floor. Napon Trailers has been building custom-built moving floor trailers since 1984. The floors of these trailers are fitted with sets of slats that are interconnected and hydraulically powered to move forward and backward, either together or alternately. This action moves the load in the direction the operator desires. This design gives a flexible solution for easy unloading of goods, such as scrap metal, hay, and manure. Napon Trailers can create specific solutions according to your need. The company is well experienced with an array of innovations, like the floor protection sheet, and a variety of truck unloading solutions, like the automatic moving bulkhead. Napon ensures their trailers are leak-proof, equipping them for a variety of applications. MAXX-D rocks. The rocks roll-off trailer from MAXX-D trailers helps you service multiple job sites with one trailer. They have the versatility of having a flatbed or bin attachment. With a 45-degree dumping angle, heavy-duty scissor lift, and hydraulic hoist, it can handle large loads. It is also fitted with a 22k Warrior Power winch system for easy loading and unloading. Available in your choice of gooseneck or bumper pull configurations, the Rocks is great for trash removal and works well on construction sites. It is especially popular with dumpster rental companies and construction supervisors handling numerous job sites. Valfast. Valfast is a radical innovation meant for the forestry industry. It is a tough and powerful spindle wedge used for felling trees that are up to 26 tons. Its flat angle design ensures that it can be pushed completely into the tree while improving the lifting capacity of the wedge. You can safely attach and operate an impact wrench with a pull cord if need be. Valfast is a logical further development of the existing spindle wedge concepts. In existing designs, there has always been a compromise between stability, functionality, and security. The new Valfast combines the best of the previously known and brings smart features with it. Toplift Pros. Meet the Toplift, a tool that makes removing and returning your Jeep's hardtop way too easy and safe. All you need to do is roll it into the back of your Jeep. The design lets you reach far into the cargo area of your Jeep, giving you a stable grip. Once positioned, simply lift by pushing downward on the handle or by pushing the button on the handle. Spotfast. Spotfast is a heavy-duty wood splitter from German company BRUNO. For the first time, it is possible to split 1 meter logs quickly and cleanly, regardless of the truck diameter. Easily operated from the timber trailer, this machine boasts of a 150 kilogram toothbrush for removal of jammed wood from the splitting knives. Spotfast, equipped with an automated return for smooth handling, is equally suited for small as well as large and multiple log processing. BRUNO scooter. Chariot scooter lift enables the transport of mobility devices behind vehicles very effortlessly. Its independent suspension carries the weight of the load, while the 360-degree spinning wheels make it easy to maneuver. The Joey lift is a scooter lift that is permanently installed inside your vehicle. It's operated by driving the scooter onto the platform and pressing a button. Your scooter is then lifted into your vehicle and tucked into your cargo area. The Joey lift is the easiest of all lifts to transport a mobility device. It is ideal if you want to travel with your scooter inside the vehicle and out of the weather. Pongami. Meet Pongami, a folding trailer from Pongratz Trailers. Its ingenious folding mechanism enables the trailer to be set up and folded easily with minimal effort. When setting it up, turn the handle that unwinds the line, revealing its 2 wheels on either side. Proceed to set up the steel fenders and trailer cover. Pull the safety pin on the frame and attach the hitch to your car, and you're off. Pongami provides generous loading dimensions, while at the same time requiring minimal space for storage. To fold it up, simply unhinge the pin connecting the frame underneath, then use the handle to turn the axle of the wheel, which winds the line and folds up the whole piece. Hesco Raid. RAID, which stands for Rapid In-Theatre Deployment, is a palletized, flat-packed, air-filled barrier that stops bust ballistics and hostile vehicles. Packed in a shipping container, its quick release or join mechanism enables easy deployment, covering a distance of 1,000 feet in 60 seconds. It can curve and form corners for complete protection. When done, attach securing straps and store for later use. TerraBlock is a surface-mounted barrier with anti-cline mesh, which is simply connected with a series of coils and pins. Once put up, fill it with sand, and it's ready to stop the heaviest of unwelcome vehicles. FINKBEINER Mobile Lift. The FINKBEINER lift is a mobile vehicle lift with a handling capacity of 3.5 tons. It can be moved by one person, is easy to install, and offers a lifting height of 194 centimeters. The vehicle is lifted by 4 swivel arms and supported by 2 stationary post-lift arms with rubber pads that enable free access to the underbody of the vehicle. This is an amazing machine to have in the workshop. Rapid Roll. Securing a worksite has never been this safe and easier thanks to Rapid Roll, an ultra-portable fencing system designed to create a barrier system in minutes using its quick release and attach mechanism. Once positioned, set up the reflective markers, then pull out the retractable fence-like barrier and attach it to inbuilt hooks on the markers. You can also link other units together to cover a larger area. When done, simply unhook it and retract it to the main unit. Designed for ease of use and efficiency, this ultra-portable fencing system can be set up and taken down safely by just one worker in a matter of minutes. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Catch you in the next one.